Hi guys, today I want to make this short video about something I was kind of surprised. I saw still people are doing it. Uh, I bought this Athearn Genesis. It's a recent model, and I bought this about a month and a half ago at a swap meet in Berkeley. I have the video on YouTube so you can watch it. So I noticed when I was running it, it was kind of sluggish. So I opened it up, and to my surprise, I saw heavy grease in the gears. I didn't know people are still using grease, especially, on a newer model like this. If it was a older ST40T2, I have purchased many of those that they had grease in them. And what happens, the grease after a while, it gets hard and it slows down your locomotive, your motor works harder. So let me show you this. This one, I have already cleaned the grease inside. Opened up the truck, took it apart, and you can see there is no grease. But this one, you can see very thick grease built up. I'm gonna do a kind of little test here so you can see the difference with the grease and without grease. Okay, so see how far. I'm gonna try to look not inside the camera, so you see it doesn't go very far with the grease, but this one, I think I'm putting the same force. See how far it went? And this one, it doesn't even want to go straight. Alright, so that's the mistake some people do. This is the grease that they use. So I use this for some occasions, not all the time. I don't never put inside the truck gears. I sometimes put them right there. That's the best use, basically, to use it for this. The shaft goes inside the flywheel, so that's a good place to put the grease. Besides that, I don't know where else to put. But the oils that I use is this one for the gears. Okay. And this one, conductor lube and cleaner, ACT-3753. This is for model trains, motors, track, RC cars, and slot cars. So what I do use this one for is for the contacts, wherever there is like the joints here, I put it here, and the other ready to run, locomotives, I use this oil. Let me show you. Okay, so for this type of wheel contacts, I put the oil right there on the wheel, and then put this contact on it. So this way it will kind of stop the wear and tear on that bushing, and also it's conductive, so you get good electricity through your wheels to your motor and or your decoder. Anyway, I just wanted to share this with you. Never grease your gears and the trucks. It will slow down your locomotive. It will put pressure on your motor, and it's not good. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I have some cool videos coming up. How to build switches and other stuff. Alright then. Thank you for watching.